Panasonic Foam Premia washing machines get your family's clothes exceptionally clean. Fine bubbles in foam lift and separate dirt from clothes better than regular detergent dissolved in water. The power of foam washes away the toughest of stains and dirt. Thanks to the new triple foam generating mechanism, which injects water at high pressure, generating high-density foam. Foam bubbles then cascade onto the clothes, surround the dirt particles and lifts them up. Dense foam is also whipped by the rotating fins of the Aquatide pulsator to generate even more fine bubbles that work their cleaning magic. Clothes get thoroughly clean with no detergent residue. Featuring proprietary technology, Panasonic's Aquatide pulsator creates 3 types of water flow, causing clothes to move up and down in a tidal action, splash against each other and get gently tossed. This agitation eliminates the toughest of dirt. All made possible with a powerful motor and the Sazanami pulsator. The result is incredible washing efficiency. Panasonic's washing machines are eco-friendly too. EcoNavi sensors automatically make operation more efficient and minimize waste. The load sensor senses the volume of clothes to adjust water consumption levels. The temperature sensor senses the water temperature to help optimize washing time. In addition, the Aqua Spin rinse reduces water usage during rinsing, resulting in water savings of up to 25%. Be it stubborn sweat stains, soiled cuffs and collars, oil or curry stains, Stainmaster tackles it all. Specially designed for India, it removes all common types of tough stains without having to pre-wash or hand wash. The washing machine automatically soaks and scrubs with a combination of hot and cold water along with foam, so that you do not have to do all the hard work. For embroidered outfits, saris, dupattas and other delicate garments, use the gentle hand wash net for a gentle but effective wash. It's just like washing by hand. Equipped with the largest lint filter, this effectively prevents lint from making a mess of dark-coloured clothes. Designed at an angle with a rear control panel, these machines have the widest inlet opening. So whether it is a large blanket that you need to put in or a small sock that remains at the bottom, usability is super easy. Panasonic washing machines are designed to enhance your everyday life.
Panasonic.